Saha, I'm ElToroRyan and you're watching Disney Channel. No, you're watching Luke E94.
Welcome to Six Flags Great Adventure here in Jackson, New Jersey. I'm joined with the Boom Boys. Introduce yourselves, guys.
Hello, Tristan.
This is Tristan and Tanner. I basically met Tristan in California, as you probably know from the Magic Mountain videos. This is his brother, and we've come to have an awesome day here. So stay tuned and let's go do some crazy stuff. Oh yeah,
Oh, yeah.
Here we go. How you doing, Tristan?
Oh, I'm doing awesome, man.
Just another day in the office, huh? What day is it today?
Thursday.
And what do you do on Thursday when you've got a friend?
Six Flags.
Oh yeah. So here we are, guys. We've made it into the park. No problems whatsoever, thanks to our season passes. So we're gonna have an awesome day here. We're gonna follow Tristan's lead and we're gonna go to Nitro, which is the park's B&M hypercoaster. Check it out. Welcome to Six Flags Great Adventure. How's it going, buddy? You alright? Do you want to come on El Toro with me? Yeah? Sweet. Alright, let's go, shall we? Nice. So check it out, dudes. This is El Toro. Unfortunately, we're not actually allowed to take anything on the ride. So I'm going to put you guys in the locker and I'll see you after the ride. Don't miss it.
Oh, hey, Saha, dude. What's going on? This is Luke E94, right?
Oh my god, Luke E94. Is that you?
Yes, that's me.
Oh my god, this is crazy.
Wait, are you ElToroRyan?
How did you guess?
Oh my god, that's awesome.
This is crazy. Look at this collab.
Yeah,
Wow.
collab, go.
Amazing. Right, let's get on.
Let's get it. Yeah.
El Toro. Check it out. Best ride in the world. Oh yeah. This guy claims that he used to work here, but I don't believe it. Nah, not for a second.
Maybe. I only worked like El Toro, King of Kilimanjaro, Bizarro, Nitro. I don't know, a bunch of rides.
Hi, you might recognise me from Luke E94. Hang on, when did I get a camera guy?
Whoa, what? Oh, you
this?
upgrade. Hell yeah, man. That's what's up, man. So I'm now the new cameraman over here at Luke E94, guys. So you guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, you need to, guys. Smash the subscribe button. Click the notification bell. Luke is going on a crazy journey all across the country, and you guys need to see it, guys. So click the subscribe button. You know, you got it, man. Alrighty. Good luck, guys. Best of luck. Luke's got a gallop going on. And it's literally pouring rain. It is pouring rain right now.
If you're going to do it in style.
Absolutely.
Here we go.
Yeah, they're going out now. They're going up now. They're in the bucket. They're actually about to go through the weirdest part of this where they take you off your feet and make you basically dive to your face inside that little box. There they go. Enjoy your rides, mates. And you guys can literally see all this water right now. It is pouring rain. Pouring rain right now. There they go. Let's wish them luck. They're going up 150 feet. 150 feet. Going up. They're really going to send it. This is send it territory. It's cool because you have to pull the strap. Up. Here they go. There they go. Oh yeah, they're sending it. Like, comment, subscribe. They did it. They sent it. Was it good or was it good?
That was crazy, man. Have you seen the double rainbow there?
Oh no, I didn't actually.
Yeah, there's a huge double rainbow just going all the way across.
Oh, it's awesome.
Toro to Nitro.
Cheers, man. This is that rainbow they were staring at on that ride. Oh my god, that's a huge rainbow. That's gorgeous. Oh, is it double? Oh my god. Really? Oh yeah, see it. There it is.
I don't think I'll be forgetting this anytime soon. It's definitely a day to remember, not a sponsor. Check it out. This guy right here. Oh yeah, that's ElToroRyan. Check him out.
Yeah, there's Wonder Woman.
Hey, check out her jetlet. Whoa.
Good. She painted it too.
That's amazing.
Really good.
So good.
New wheels too.
Oh, whoa. If you haven't seen already, Ryan just released a video talking about this ride, so definitely check it out. I'll leave a link on the screen here and in the description. And yeah, whilst you're there, like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you after the ride.
Thank you guys already here. Enjoy your ride on Wonder Woman. Bye, have fun, see you later.
Why am I here?
I don't know what's funnier, that or the face of regret.
I'm not even on it yet.
The noise it makes when it comes past. What do you think, guys?
Oh, it was great. We got a ton of hang time on it.
Sweet.
Yeah.
You heard it first here, guys. It's literally one of the craziest flat rides I've ever been on. They all say that they're the world's tallest, and you know, it's not the height, it's the way it spins, it's the wind in your hair. It's great. But definitely check it out. Again, big shout out to these guys for the flash passes. Check them out, and I will check you out on the next ride. Guys, I think I'm clinically insane to ride that back-to-back 2 times. However, Ryan and I and the rest of the team have got a doctor on hand. This is Dr. Hershey, PhD. Check him out. I'll leave his Instagram in the link below. But for the fans, do you want to give us a shout out quickly?
Yeah, I really love Ryan's channel. Really good, and gotta love him. He travels around the world so much.
There you go.
Yeah.
Anyways, guys, we're gonna head up to Nitro now, so we're gonna end the day there.
Gotta get Nitro ERT, bro.
Oh yeah, ERTs, baby. Bye bye. See you in a bit.
Woo!